If you're tired of bland meals but don't want to add more salt, try this kitchen hack mushroom powder. It's a game changer. Umami is often called the fifth taste, right alongside sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. It's that savory, mouth-watering flavor you find in foods like parmesan, tomatoes, and mushrooms. What makes mushroom powder so special? It's packed with glutamates, natural compounds that trigger your taste buds and signal yum to your brain. When you sprinkle mushroom powder onto soups, sauces, or even popcorn, it deepens the flavor and makes everything taste richer without overpowering your dish or loading up on sodium. Plus, it's all natural and easy to use. Just a teaspoon can transform a simple meal into something unforgettable. So, next time you want to impress your taste buds or your dinner guests, reach for that jar of mushroom powder. Unlock that umami boost and let your food shine. If you liked this video, don't forget to drop it a like. Make sure to subscribe to AI Chef today for more.